Hi, my name's Lisa and today I'll be teaching you some common phrases in Maltese. What are you doing is Shent Tamil. Where are you going is Fein Sayed. Where are you from is Min Fein Ent. Go to sleep is Mur or Ot. Let's eat is Eya Niklu. My name is Yin Isimni Lisa.
Hi, my name's Renee and I've got some common phrases in Italian for you. What are you doing? Cosa stai facendo? Where are you going? Dove stai andando? Where are you from? Di dove sei? Go to sleep. Vai a dormire. Let's eat. Mangiamo. And my name is Mi chiamo. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have some common phrases in Samoan. So we're going to start with where are you going? Ofete aluyai. Where are you from is Ofete saumayai. So our next one is go to sleep or sleep, which is alue moi. So our next one is let's eat, tato ai. So my name is Oloingo o.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our Jigsaw channel. My name is Edeline and I'm from Honeypots. Today I will be teaching you some common phrases that we use in Filipino languages. What are you doing? Anong ginagawa mo? Where are you going? Saan ka pupunta? Where are you from? Saan ka nanggaling or tiga saan ka? Sleep, go to sleep, matulog na tayo. Or matulog ka na. Let's eat, kain na tayo. My name is, ako ay si, or ang pangalan ko ay si. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Hi, my name is Vy. Today I have some common phrases in Vietnamese. The first one is, what are you doing? Bạn đang làm gì vậy? Where are you going? Bạn đang đi đâu vậy? Where are you from? Bạn đến từ đâu? Sleep or go to sleep. Đi ngủ. Eating time. Giờ ăn. And the last one is, my name is. Tên tôi là.
Fafete lover, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.